Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Chris here with BNFX with your New York Open analysis for the 28th of February, so end of month. Thank you all for joining me, and we got a lot to look forward to this week. I guess we'll go ahead and start with today, and then we'll kind of take a look at the week here. So looking through kind of what has happened overnight or through the morning here in London, the G7 leaders are removing Russian banks from SWIFT. Looking at some of the headlines, the Central Bank of Russia says they have an alternate version of SWIFT that they can use with their partners to move money in and out of the central bank. So needless to say, it's going to be a pretty heavy damage to the Russian economy. And Russia's nuclear forces are on high alert now through Putin. I'm still waiting to see when they start limiting their oil to drive prices higher and kind of mess with the European Union and the rest of the world, which if these negotiations don't go through, and I mean, Putin's not there, so it's not going to go through. This is going to continue. And when it continues, NATO is going to push back, Russia is going to push back. So it seems like it's escalating pretty substantially here. Right now, oil has off the best levels, but they are definitely firmer from Friday. So that's something I'm really looking at with an eagle eye, because there's just an opportunity to make a lot of money with that here. So just something to keep in mind. You kind of want to go where the money's at and really kind of what's moving the markets. And right now, this is definitely what's moving the markets. So that's what we have going on right now. Throughout the week here, I mean, in about 12 hours, we've got the RBA rate statement and cash rate announcement. So the forecast is that they're not going to move it. So it's interesting because some think that they might move it this year, but with this new development, I'm not sure how things are going to be impacted. So something to keep in mind. You've got some GDP results up here. We've got NFP, non-farm payroll, on Friday. We've got the ADP non-farm employment change on Wednesday. Bank of Canada is expected to increase their rate from 0.25% to 0.5% on Wednesday. We've got testimony from Fed Chair Powell. So there's going to be a lot of volatility in the market this week. So good opportunity to really make some money. You just have to really control your risk and just be careful around these news times and trading. So one trade I'm kind of hawking out right now. It doesn't seem like it's going to go through, though. Is I was kind of looking at the Euro Aussie, because I view the Euro as weak and Aussie as less weak. This is my market portrait here. So dollar CAD is what I'm looking at, is strong. Aussie, Kiwi, and the Japanese yen are kind of in the middle range. Japanese yen can be good on real big safe haven bids, but doesn't seem like they're getting really flocked to. But the Euro, Swiss franc are definitely down. Pound, to a lesser extent, is down too. So Euro Aussie, I'm not really seeing what I want to see. I was looking for a little bit more downward momentum here to maybe trade on a breakout. So I'll keep an eye out for that. But I'm really hawking maybe like a Euro US trade if news comes back out that the negotiations didn't go through, which I don't think they will. Right now, it's started down about 100 pips down, and it's rebounded. Interesting if it'll close this gap or not to 1268. I don't think it will. I think maybe it'll get up to here to the pivot, but then maybe make a downturn. So not really seeing anything so far. But once again, I know the delegation from Russia and Ukraine met, and I think it has ended. So we're just kind of waiting on headlines from that to move the market. I think the markets are waiting for that too. So stay tuned, and we'll see if we can make some money today. All right. Thank you very much, and have a great rest of your day. Good luck.